Are you looking for a chandelier, ceiling fan, sink, vanity, floor lamp, table lamp, comfy chair, pendant, Wayne, box, wall sconce, ballast? We've got it all. For real. Here at Madman Steve's Lighting Explosion, we stand behind our quality merchandise, luxurious showroom, Metroid Prime, and unbeatable prices. Half off this wall bracket. Wow! 70% off this chandelier. Holy shit! And you can just have this ceiling fan because I'm going to kill myself. So come on down to Madman Steve's Lighting Explosion, where we light up your
Come down to Madman Steve's Lighting Explosion, where we have everything from flush mounts to vanity strips to floor lamps to ceiling fans. Come down for a great savings every day.